Bonjour, it's Théo. Today we are with Emma.
Hi!
It's your first time on the channel and today we're gonna try a great restaurant on the Champs-Élysées. It's your first time here, so I wanted to try a huge restaurant,
Something special.
Something special. And I can't wait to make sure to try this one. It's called the Syrah. It's the Mediterranean terrace in the Marriott Hotel at the Champs-Élysées. And it's known to be the most famous, the most beautiful avenue in the world. I'm not sure about that. I don't know if you really like the Champs-Élysées.
Yeah, maybe a bit polluted, but
sometimes
still nice.
Too many cars,
Very typical.
but an incredible place. Let's go to the restaurant. First time for me.
Me too.
Yeah, first time.
We don't go to this kind of places
No.
normally.
No, usually I don't go to hotels like that, no. It looks crazy. Even just the entrance is beautiful. Ooh, even just the salon is beautiful. This is the Marriott Hotel. You can see with the glass roof, it's just, oh, I really love the vibe. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so the maître d'hôtel told us that they can open the dome to have like a little bit of wind and to have all the sun coming inside. It's beautiful. C'est super. We have a quiet table on the terrace of Syrah. This is their Mediterranean restaurant in the Marriott Hotel. They have multiple restaurants. You can find the entrance restaurant under the dome, which is more like a bar. Then they also have a restaurant for the breakfast, and this one is a new table they opened for the summer with the sun just above us. It's a beautiful place, it's really calm. It's not really famous because it's a new place in the Marriott Hotel, and the entrance in the Champs-Élysées, it's a bit hidden by the other shops all around. But if you want to find a quiet place at the Champs-Élysées, Syrah, it's a beautiful place for that. Many things on the menu, a lot of wines and cocktails, many dishes to share with the Mediterranean influences. Moussaka, tagine, kebab, the octopus, the gambas, many things that I love.
Me too.
Santé!
Santé!
You can see you're in a good French restaurant when you have some beurre, some butter. Le beurre bordier, it's a famous brand. It's time for the starters. We have some cocktails with cucumber and basil. And here it's the baba ganoush. It's roasted eggplants that are crushed to make a puree. And you can find some maybe some confit eggplant on top, some pomegranate also. And I know that this is a perfect spread for the starters. It's so good. And this is the arancini. It's balls of risotto that are fried. And I don't remember what we have inside. We're gonna see.
Mushrooms, I think?
Mushroom, yeah.
Yeah.
They have some mushroom inside. I can't wait to try it. I love the arancini. It's a starter that I really like.
Me too. I can't wait.
It's so good. So you have the risotto, the mushrooms. I'm gonna put it in the sauce. Let's go. All this crunchiness, I really like it. The rice is not as cooked as the risotto. It's maybe more crunchy, but it works really well. And the little tomato sauce, it gives a perfect taste. It's not really spicy, so everybody can love it. T'en penses quoi?
It was very good. I really like the crunchiness. You can really taste the mushroom, so it's very good.
It's time for the baba ganoush. You can take it with the bread, all the spread. Let's go. Yeah.
So good.
It's really nice, it's fresh. And the toppings also, it gives more texture. You have some eggplants that are also like confit on top. So you have different texture of eggplants with the pomegranate, a bit crunchy. It's really, really nice. Really good starter. Baba ganoush, it never disappoints.
Yes.
So Emma, tell us a little bit more about yourself.
Sure. So my name is Emma. I was a content creator
Also on
years
YouTube.
ago.
Yeah, we met by YouTube at that time.
We were like 15
Yes.
when we had like content creation like on Instagram and on YouTube.
Yeah, we were on YouTube at the same time when we were like 15, 16. Really, it was a long time ago.
A long time ago.
And now you're a journalist?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm working on a TV called LCI in France, and I'm also doing some video journalism. Like it depends on the contracts I get.
And I talked a little bit about the political context in France, so it's good to meet like a journalist working also at that time. Is it really tiring now with all the elections that are coming?
Yeah, so it's a very intense period because we have like many people to interview, but hopefully we have like a lot of people in newsroom, so we can switch to have days off because it will be impossible if we were working every day. But we need to like give the news to people, so it's very intense but very interesting as a journalist.
That's crazy. I love that. It's time for the main courses. We have the lamb kebab right there with some roasted potatoes. The broccolinis as a side. This is the octopus and it looks really good, like really beautiful, with a little bit of roasted potatoes on the side also. It looks really nice, but the quantity are a bit small. For the price, it costs a little bit more than 20 euros. If I remember, it's like 24, and the side are not included. I think it's a bit small. It's also a price of a beautiful hotel at the Champs-Élysées, but I would love to have a bigger place, you know. And even the plates are a bit too big for the quantity. Like just put it in a smaller place because it's too long. There is like empty room in the middle. The octopus, you said it was written in the menu, served with tomatoes. Just 3 tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. It's too small for us. We want to eat more.
Very good.
It's good, that's the most important. Can I try it also?
Yeah.
Yes! You can see it's grilled all over. Let's go. Really good texture. It's tender, lightly chewy. The grill taste on top, it's good. It's really nice. Now it's time to try the kebab, roasted lamb. I'm gonna see the inside. Cooked inside with a lot of herbs. I don't know what is this little sauce, maybe some sesame paste. The taste is strong. You have the flavor of the barbecue. The sauce is really nice, really creamy. I think that the inside of the kebab is a bit too dry. Usually I prefer the meat when it's less cooked. I also love the raw beef or tartare, you know. I think it's maybe too cooked, but it's also the type of kebab that gives that. You want to have this grilled barbecue flavor, but you really need the sauce because it's a bit too dry inside. But for the quantity, the taste and the prices, I'm a bit disappointed. It deserves maybe a little bit more sauce or seasoning, you know, on the different meat. The sides are a bit easy, you know, the potatoes, the roasted potatoes, the broccolini. It's not really that creative. Maybe it's also the type of restaurant that you can find in hotel. You don't have a big quantity. Maybe the Champs-Élysées are a bit like that. I prefer when you eat bigger plates, you know. I think that the restaurant makes a lot of valeur sûre, which is the name in France we say for something that everybody can love, something you won't make any mistake on it. So the lamb or the octopus, you know what you eat, but it's also a restaurant that everybody can love. And it's time for the desserts. We have a tiramisu with pistachio and cherry, and it looks fabulous.
It looks great.
Yeah, I just can't wait to try it. And this one is a nougat. It's a nice nougat. Yeah. On the menu, it was written that it was with pistachio and orange, but it looks like cherry at the bottom.
Raspberries, I think.
Raspberry or cherry, maybe they put also the pistachio and cherry. We're gonna see.
Let's try.
I can't wait. Okay, let's start with the nougat. I want to see.
Oh.
It's already melting because it's hot. It's really nice. You have some cherry at the bottom. You have really this taste of candy, you know. It's sweet like a cherry jam at the bottom. The nougat is melting with all the crunchy pistachio. It's really, really nice. Really good dessert. Okay, let's try the tiramisu because everything looks so good. The cake, the texture. It looks so good. Let's go.
Let's try. Very good.
That is incredible. You have so much sweetness, the sugar of the cherry. You have some cherry paste inside. The cake of the tiramisu. It's so sweet. It tastes like like a cherry candy.
Yeah, if you like cherry, you will love it.
Kind of the cherry you can put in a milkshake, you know, a bit sweet with the sugar. It's really, really good. Like you can see, you have some cherry paste. This dessert is incredible. Yeah. It's so good. The place is so calm. I really like the vibe of the restaurant. Yeah. What do you think about this restaurant as a journalist?
Overall, I think it's a good choice if you want like a calm place in the Champs-Élysées because it's very like a crowded place and you can't hear anything really. So it's very nice to be like calm and everything. Maybe the size of the plates were like maybe too small for the price we got, but the desserts are very good. If you want some sweet place in the Champs-Élysées,
are the best.
It's very good.
I agree with you. I think that the main courses were not the best. It's a bit too simple, not really big size, but I really love the starters were good and the desserts are incredible. You finish with the dessert, you're not disappointed. Don't forget to follow Emma if you speak French on social media. You want to start some videos
Yeah, maybe.
about the news and the politics?
Yeah, if there's something that can interest you, please say it in the comments.
We're gonna start a career right now. And if you want to explore Paris and discover the French way of life, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. I post every single day, so see you tomorrow.
À demain.